The closed system T-cell expansion workflow combines R&D Systems GMP-grade media, Serum, and ProPak cytokines with the G-Rex 100N-CX bioreactor to support consistent, scalable T-cell manufacturing for cell therapy applications. Through welding and seal connections, complete media is prepared and delivered to the bioreactor without ever opening the system to ambient air, helping mitigate contamination and reduce biosafety cabinet time. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through preparing your reagents, adding ProPak cytokines to the media bag, adding GMP human AB serum to the media bag, and delivering complete media to the G-Rex bioreactor. These techniques are intended to give you the tools to confidently prepare complete T-cell media and load a G-Rex bioreactor in a fully closed system. You may jump ahead if you're looking for a specific section with the timecodes on your screen. Before we begin, make sure you have the following components on hand: a 1-liter bag of GMP human T-cell media, ProPak GMP proteins, a bag of GMP human AB serum, a G-Rex 100N-CS bioreactor, a sterile connecting device or tube welder, a tube sealer, a media bag stand, and personal protective equipment, including gloves, a lab coat, and tie-back sleeves. Also, confirm that you're following good laboratory practices, including working in a clean, controlled environment throughout the closed system workflow, inspecting all bags, tubing, and clamps for damage before use, ensuring your sterile connecting device and sealer are fully functional and calibrated, and conserving tube length on each weld to support future closed system connections. Let's start by preparing your reagents. Remove the ProPak from storage between -14 and -40 C and place it at room temperature. Leave the ProPak inside its plastic clamshell for 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. The PVC line can become brittle at temperatures at or below -60 C, so this brief equilibration helps protect the tubing during handling. Carefully remove the ProPak from its clamshell. Note that leaving the ProPak in the clamshell will significantly extend thaw time. Let the ProPak sit at room temperature for 30 to 40 minutes or until fully thawed. Remove the ProPak from its outer plastic sleeve and confirm it is completely thawed before use. Next, remove the 1-liter T-cell media bag from storage at 2 to 8 C and remove the human AB serum from storage at or below -10 C, placing it at room temperature to thaw. Human AB serum could also be thawed overnight at 2 to 8 C. Once all reagents are at room temperature, we're ready to begin the closed system media preparation. Let's add the ProPak cytokines to the 1-liter media bag. Using your sterile connecting device, weld 1 ProPak to the 1-liter media bag, conserving tube length for future welds. Once the weld is complete, open all clamps to allow flow between the bags. ProPak cytokines are recovered by flushing media back and forth between the media bag and the ProPak a minimum of 10 times. To perform a single flush, squeeze the ProPak to send liquid through the welded line into the media bag. Then release and squeeze the media bag to push liquid back into the ProPak. This completes 1 flush. Perform 10 to 20 flushes to ensure full cytokine recovery. After your final flush, use the air in the media bag to clear the tubing line. It's acceptable if some media remains in the ProPak bag or the tubing line, as 10 to 20 flushes have equilibrated the cytokine between the ProPak and media bag. Close all clamps on the PVC line. Then, using your sealer, seal and sever the PVC line between the media bag and the ProPak. This process can be repeated with additional ProPak cytokines as required, always conserving tubing length. Once your ProPak additions are complete, we'll move on to adding the human AB serum. Weld the 1-liter media bag, now containing your ProPak cytokines, to the bagged human AB serum, again conserving tubing for future welds. Open all clamps to allow flow. Use gravity and gentle pressure on the human AB serum bag to transfer the full volume into the 1-liter media bag. Use the air remaining in the serum bag to clear the welded line. Close all clamps on the PVC line, then seal and sever the line between the media bag and the serum bag. Mix the media bag thoroughly to ensure equilibration throughout the complete media. Your prepared complete media is ready to use, or can be stored for up to 5 weeks at 2 to 8 C, protected from light. With your complete media prepared, let's deliver it to the G-Rex bioreactor. Before welding, confirm the following. The clamp on the red striped PVC tubing of the bioreactor is closed. The clamp on the complete media bag is closed. And the clamp on the bioreactor vent filter is open. The vent filter should always remain open during fill, throughout culture, and during harvest. Weld the 1 liter media bag of complete media to the red stripe PVC tubing of the G-Rex bioreactor. Open all clamps to allow media to flow from the media bag to the bioreactor. Using gravity, drain the media into the bioreactor until the desired volume is reached. Graduation marks can be found on the G-Rex 100M-CS bioreactor for reference. Once your target media volume is reached, use the air in the media bag to clear the PVC tubing line. It's acceptable if some liquid remains in the line. Close the clamps on both the media bag and the bioreactor. Seal and sever the PVC line between the media bag and bioreactor, conserving the red striped PVC tubing for subsequent welds. The G-Rex 100M-CS bioreactor is now filled with complete media, ready for T-cell expansion. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For any questions, please reach out to our technical support team by using the chat function on our website or emailing support@rndsystems.com.